Get into a car with value. 2024 Honda CR-V. Presenting the Honda CR-V, the distinctive small SUV that does it all in premium style. From its high-end feel to its all-weather capability and sophisticated comfort, this sleek crossover will delight you on every adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, heated mirrors, blind spot monitor, dual zone AC, power driver seat, heated front seat. What are you waiting for? Take the wheel of this sophisticated and powerful Honda CR-V and let the adventures begin.